Hi everyone, hope you are enjoying our videos. I, Mayank Khatri, welcome you back to our channel once again. Today, I'm here to answer the most frequently asked question that which cadet pilot program is better. So, talking about the first one and the most recommended, Indigo Airlines. Indigo is the major domestic airline in India and has a reputation for its operational efficiency and growth. Joining Indigo Cadet Pilot program could offer you a job security. Within the dynamic Indian aviation industry, the program's success and the job security depends on the individual performance during the training. Second is the Air Arabia. Air Arabia is a leading low-cost carrier based in Middle East. While it operates in a competitive market, it offers a diverse network connecting various destinations. The airline program may provide a pathway for flying opportunities across the Middle East and beyond, contributing to job security through network expansion. Next one is the SpiceJet. SpiceJet is another established Indian airline with a significant presence in the domestic market. Being a part of SpiceJet Cadet Pilot program could lead to a job security within the Indian aviation landscape. The airline focuses on innovation and growth that may contribute to the sustained opportunities. Next one is the Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways is a globally recognized carrier known for its expensive network and high standards. Joining Qatar Airways Cadet Pilot program could provide access to international routes and a global aviation environment. The airline reputation and the diverse operation could offer you an enhanced job security. In any cadet pilot program, job security is closely tied up to the individual performance, training outcomes, and the airline operation requirements. The level of the job security also depends on the factors beyond the control of an individual cadet, such as market fluctuations and the geopolitical influences. When evaluating which program offers the best job security, candidates should consider factors such as airline financial stability, growth prospect, and route networks, and their own personal preferences as well. So there we come to the end of our video, and for more information you can like, share and subscribe. Also you can contact us on the number flashing below of Golden Epaulettes Academy. Thank you. Signing off, Captain Mayank Khatri.